Ever found yourself caught in a cycle of toxic relationships? Discover how Stoic philosophy can help you break free from destructive patterns and build healthier, more fulfilling connections. Today, we're diving into applying Stoic principles to identify and avoid toxic relationship patterns. Stoicism offers practical tools for healthier relationship dynamics, focusing on self-awareness, emotional control, and setting boundaries. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and stay tuned for actionable strategies inspired by Stoic wisdom to avoid toxic patterns and transform your relationships. Section 1. Recognize what is within your control. Let's start with a fundamental Stoic principle. Focus on what you can control and accept what you cannot. Epictetus. In relationships, we often waste energy trying to change others, but true empowerment comes from focusing on our own actions and reactions. Reflect on your own behaviors and responses in relationships, and work on improving what you can control. Consider a person who constantly tried to change their partner, only to face resistance and frustration. By shifting their focus to improving their own actions and reactions, they found peace and healthier relationship dynamics. Section 2. Set and maintain healthy boundaries. Set clear boundaries and stick to them. Marcus Aurelius. Setting and maintaining healthy boundaries is crucial to avoid toxic dynamics. Boundaries help create respect and ensure both partners' needs are addressed. Here are some practical tips for establishing and communicating boundaries in relationships. Identify your needs and limits. Communicate them clearly and assertively to your partner, and ensure consistency in maintaining those boundaries. For instance, one person set clear boundaries around their need for alone time, and this led to a healthier relationship dynamic. Section 3. Avoid emotional reactivity. Emotions should not dictate your actions. Epictetus. Emotional reactivity often perpetuates toxic relationship patterns. Stoicism teaches that emotions should not control our responses. Instead, we should act with reason and reflection. To manage emotional reactions, try mindfulness, taking deep breaths, and giving yourself time to reflect before responding. Consider the story of someone who managed their emotional reactivity and avoided escalating conflicts, which helped maintain a healthier relationship. Section 4. Practice self-awareness and reflection. Know thyself. Self-awareness is key to identifying and changing toxic patterns. Reflecting on your own behaviors and thought processes can reveal patterns that contribute to unhealthy relationships. Increase your self-awareness through journaling, meditation, and seeking feedback from trusted friends. For example, someone used self-reflection to identify and address their own contributions to toxic patterns, leading to significant improvements in their relationships. Section 5. Embrace the impermanence of relationships. Understand that everything is temporary. Heraclitus. Recognizing the impermanence of relationships can help you avoid clinging to toxic dynamics and accept when it's time to move on. Adopt a mindset that sees relationships as evolving and be open to change when necessary. Imagine someone who embraced this principle, let go of a toxic relationship, and move forward positively, leading to personal growth and better future relationships. Section 6. Cultivate compassion and empathy. Approach others with compassion and empathy. Marcus Aurelius. Compassion and empathy can help prevent and address toxic patterns. Understanding your partner's perspective and showing empathy fosters a healthier dynamic. To cultivate compassion and empathy, practice active listening, validate your partner's feelings, and try to see things from their perspective. For example, a relationship where increased empathy led to improved communication and resolution of toxic patterns. Section 7. Seek wisdom and guidance. Seek wisdom from trusted sources. Seneca. Seeking external wisdom and guidance can help you avoid toxic patterns. Consulting mentors, therapists, or relationship experts can provide valuable insights and support. When faced with relationship challenges, seek advice from trusted sources and use these insights to guide your actions. For instance, someone who sought external guidance broke free from toxic patterns and improved their relationship. Conclusion. To recap, we discussed key Stoic principles such as focusing on what you can control, setting healthy boundaries, avoiding emotional reactivity, practicing self-awareness, embracing impermanence, cultivating compassion, and seeking wisdom. By applying these Stoic principles, you can transform your relationship dynamics and lead to healthier, more fulfilling connections. Remember, change starts with you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your experiences. Subscribe for more content on Stoicism and relationship improvement. Thanks for watching.